Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming tethering is allowed and that you have enough data. Carriers sometimes block hotspots. Once done, restart your phone and the device you'll connect, and toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios. Make sure the hotspot SSID and password are clear and visible in settings. You want to rule out simple naming or credential errors before deeper work. Next, you dive into the phone's hotspot settings. Change the band to 2. 4 GHz if connections drop at distance, or 5 GHz for faster, short-range links. This fixes many compatibility issues. Once changed, inspect the client for static IPs, MAC filters, or DNS misconfigurations that prevent leases. Also disable battery saver, Wi-Fi assistant. Finally, update the phone OS and carrier profile to ensure compatibility with modern tethering standards. Outdated firmware often causes authentication failures. If updates don't help, reset network settings to clear stale configurations, then rebuild the hotspot from scratch and retest. If you still can't share data, contact your carrier to confirm your plan supports tethering or to request a provisioning reset. That carrier-side change often resolves hidden blocks and gets your hotspot working again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.